Hello everyone, this is Miss Mara and welcome back to my channel. The sponsor of today's video is Pashion Footwear. Before we get into the details of these amazing transformative heels, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications by clicking that bell so that you know when I have new collabs like this coming out. I post new videos or live stream every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time. I have 3 membership tiers here on YouTube, as well as a second channel with educational videos, as well as additional live streams, so go check those out after this video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and Twitter at MaraDomina for daily news and juicy updates. Pashion Footwear is the brainchild of 23-year-old CEO and entrepreneur Haley Pavoni, who launched the company in 2016 out of her dorm as a sophomore at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo. Haley was dancing barefoot at an event after ditching her heels when she was impaled through the foot by another woman's stiletto. Determined to find a better solution to high heel woes, Haley set out to create convertible heels. Despite being told her idea was impossible, Haley spearheaded the creation of truly convertible heels during her college days. After years and research of developing, Pashion Footwear officially launched in 2019 with 3 convertible heel styles. Pashion Footwear also aired on season 12 of ABC's Shark Tank, where Haley ultimately declined an offer from Kevin O'Leary. Official patents for Stilo high heel arch supports are approved in the USA, Europe, and China. Pashion Footwear launched the world's first convertible and customizable knee-high boots, their 13th silhouette shoe. The ambassador programs Pashion Footwear includes brides for their weddings. You could get 50% off of your pair and score 25% off of bridesmaids and guests. In addition, you can earn 12% cash for every guest's purchase. Circling back to the development of Pashion Footwear, Haley says, quote, high heels are the #1 cause of foot pain in the US. Women are all too familiar with the backache that comes with heels, but what they don't realize is that by the time that you feel it in your back, your feet, ankles, knees, and hips are all compromised, end quote. She brought 2 fellow students on board, Tyler Unberhand, who specializes in industrial design, and Seiji Van Bronckhorst, a mechanical engineer specializing in shoe design. Her goal was to empower women and give them the means to never again have to choose between style and practicality. She refers to her 80% female team as a fashion tech company created by women for women. You can read more about Haley's incredible journey on Forbes, linked in the description box below. Now, let's get to the opening of these beautiful heels and how to use them.
Pashion Footwear has sent me the sandal in walnut leather and stiletto heel kit number 4, as well as the block heel kit number 3 in light wood. These chunkier heels are the block heel in light wood, and as you can see, it comes with a bag so that you could store them without getting them scuffed or scratched. To attach the heels, you just need to slide them into the sandal and then rotate 90 degrees. It's that easy. When I have a long day of business appointments, I now have the ability to switch from heels to comfortable flats without changing shoes. This will particularly come in handy when I attend events and when I'm traveling. Can you imagine the space I would save in my luggage from 6 different pairs of shoes to compact 2 or 3 with this level of heel variety? I'm ecstatic I found Passion Footwear. This is the stiletto heel kit number 4, and all you need to do to replace the heels is literally the same process, which I'll show you right here. For the flat cap, just press the button when pulling the heel out of midsole and unhook the stilo arch from the midsole pin. Push the flat cap into midsole and twist the flat cap into place. Done! Replacement flat caps are available for purchase on the website, linked in the description box below. All heel kits are interchangeable with any pair of Passions as long as you purchase the kits in the same size range as your shoe. After a few weeks of wear, the flats will break in and mold to your arch. Every shoebox comes with a little booklet of convertible instructions. They even give you a page of the illustrated shoe parts for you to understand which part goes where. When in doubt, just reverse engineer all the steps that you did to put the heel on. To turn the flats into heels, you just need to align the heel and stilo with the heel facing right if you're holding the shoe downward like this. Insert stilo into the metal slot of midsole, press the heel button and twist the heel 90 degrees, then push the heel into midsole. Release the button and twist the heel back into place. Once you hear it, click, you're done. One more thing I do want to mention before checking out is that you can actually customize your preferred shoe by height, color, and of course size, depending on the options that are given on the website. Shoes do sell out quickly though, so make sure that you purchase ahead of time. They have sizes all the way up to 11, as well as rhinestone detachable heels and gold chrome stilo inserts.
If you use my code that is linked right here below, you will save 25% off of your first order of $100. You can find it in the description box below where you can copy and paste upon checkout. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it so that others can try out these unique heels that transform into comfort. Passion Footwear is linked in the description box below. Tag Passion Footwear and tag me at Mara Domina and let us know how you like your new purchase. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new videos coming out. And until next time, stay safe, have fun, and keep it comfortably kinky, everyone.